Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday, I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor, Mr. Doi, and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today, I will talk to you about Osaka Museum of Housing and Living. Osaka Museum of Housing and Living is a unique history museum in Kita-ward, Osaka. It's near Tenjinbashisuji Shopping Street and easy to reach from Umeda. The museum shows how people in Osaka lived from the Edo-period to the Showa period. Visitors can experience the city's history and lifestyle. The most exciting part of the museum is a life-size recreation of the Edo period town. You can walk through old merchant houses and feel like you have traveled back in time. There is also a kimono rental service, so visitors can wear traditional Japanese clothes while exploring the town. This is very popular with foreign tourists. Recently, the museum has added digital displays and hands-on workshops where visitors can experience Japanese traditions. Events like rakugo, comic style telling, tea ceremony are easy to understand even from the foreigners and great for those interested in Japanese culture. The museum is directly connected to Tenjinbashisuji Station on Osaka Metro Tanimachi and Sakai-Suji lines, making it easy to visit. This museum is a great place for tourists who want to learn more about Osaka's history and culture in a fun way. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.